guys, it's Yolanda and I'm back with another fun and fresh video for you guys. So I'm filming this after I filmed the whole video, obviously, but today I'm gonna teach you guys how to curl your hair like I do. I know it's like not that good, but like I like it. No one's probably ever gonna do this in their life, but you know what? But yeah, so what I use when I curl my hair is I use 2 scrunchies, a curling wand, and this is the Hot Tools one, or what is it? Hot Shot Tools, I don't know. Then I use this Pureology Lock It Down hairspray. And lastly, I use this Paul Mitchell Flexible Style Sculpting Foam. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So yeah, I'll see you guys after. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just brush my hair. You know, it's kind of tangly. While you're brushing your hair, make sure you part your hair wherever you want it to be parted. I guess I'll do here. So when your hair is parted, you're going to split it up in 2 sections, or like half up, half down. So now that it is half up, half down, I kind of just split it like this. But first thing I'm gonna do is I always start on this side just because it's the easiest. And I grab a pretty big piece of hair. This piece is pretty good. So now I'm gonna start curling. So I'm gonna open this. You know, every time I do it, I always have to guess which way I have to go because like I can't remember. I'm just gonna go this way. Let's see if this is right. And then I clamp it and then I just hold the rest. And I usually count to like 25 seconds. And then I unclamp it and I hold it here for like a little bit. And then I let it go. And yeah. And then I leave it like this. I don't put hairspray on it yet because I'm going for like a beachy curl kind of thing, so I kind of like let it just fall out on its own. You get, I don't know, it makes sense when it's done. So now I'm gonna move on to this next piece. It's kind of self-explanatory. Just make sure you're going opposite ways every curl you do. Now that I have this half of the hair curled, I know it looks weird. I use my hand just to like brush it out, and while I'm doing that, I spray with this hairspray because seems to be the only hairspray that actually stays, or that actually like has my hair stay in place. I kind of just spray in it, just a little bit though. And now I'm going to do the same thing to this side. I'll see you guys when I'm done with this side, I guess, because I'm already done with this side. So okay, so now that both sides of my hair are done being curled, I'm going to take this little bun thing out. Going to put it where I parted it, wherever, there. So yeah, now I'm going to curl up here. So these bottom curls, they don't really matter that much. It's more about the curls on top, because the curls on top are what everyone's gonna see, you know? I'm grabbing another scrunchie, and this just makes my life easier. I kind of like get the hair I'm going to curl and then just put this down. Now that I have the hair, I'm gonna try to get in these little baby hairs too because they don't like cooperating. I'm gonna curl away from my face. Okay, and then I let go. Oh shoot, I goofed, but it's okay. And then I let it all go down. So this came out a little weird. I usually have to redo doing the front ones a lot because they come out weird sometimes, but if this begins to bother me, I'm gonna redo it. So, and as you can see, I'm doing them in pretty big chunks because I want them to be loose and not tight. And like, I try my best doing it opposite directions, but sometimes I like forget and I just do it. So yeah. Okay, so now that I am done curling this side of my head, I'm just gonna, first I'm gonna hairspray this side. Like, first I'm gonna hairspray it and then brush through it, and not brush through it and hairspray it at the same time, because the top layer of hair is more important. I don't know, but trust me. So now I'm gonna brush through it a little. This is how this side looks. So now I'm gonna do the other side. Now I am done curling this side, so I'm gonna do the hairspray and then brush through. This side of my head had a lot more hair just because, you know. Here's how the back looks. Okay, so now that my hair is curled, I'm gonna take this Paul Mitchell Flexible Style Sculpting Foam, and every time I use this, I get so much. Like, you need to like do it like, or else, cause it like grow. I don't know. Just watch. Look. Wait. So when you have that, you rub it in your hands. Then just brush your hair with it. And I know this hair looks messy, but like, I'm into that messy look. And then I kind of like tease it up a little so it looks like I have more hair when I really don't. There's my hair. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.